Hello there, it's Francis here from Generational Wealth Academy. Now, on today's video, I am basically going to be, showcasing how I do enter trades, or if you like, how I trade, price action using double tops and triple tops and all. So let's go. Now you can see here, well, this is basically the 1 hour time frame on the US dollar CHF, US dollar Swiss franc. And you can see here that the price has basically been going, up and down, in between these two, green or lime horizontal lines in between the channel, as it were. So basically you can see that was a top, and that was a second touch of that top, which was made it a double top, and we are seeing a possible triple top, at play here. So I am going to be looking to trade a reversal of this. So basically I'll wait for it to get to the top there and take it down. Now if I wanted to be aggressive with this trade, I could have just entered here, but no, I am going to be waiting till waiting for it to get to the top. So I'm going to be placing an order there later on in the video. Now I say if I wanted to be aggressive, I would place I will enter a sell now. I will enter a sell now. Why? Because you can see this huge candle, this engulfing candle. In the previous video, I did show how I trade using engulfing candles, and with this bearish candle, completely engulfing the body of this bullish candle, I would have entered the trade at the close of this engulfing candle. I would have entered the trade at the close of this engulfing candle and taken it all the way down, but obviously I missed it, so we'll basically just let that go. But now, as the price is approaching the high, for the third time, I'll be looking to trade it as a reversal. Now, what I would also perhaps want you to note at this point is that, even though I love to trade, double tops and triple tops and all that, by the time, the price hits a particular zone for the fourth time, I become hesitant to, keep on taking trades in those areas. Why? Because the more times it hits, that zone, the weaker it becomes. But this is the third time it's going to hit it, I believe. So I believe we're still safe to take that. So what I would do, now is basically, place an order, place an order here. So let me just move this. Let me just move this and, enter. Okay, so it's going to be a sell limit order. So this is basically where I'll be looking to enter the trade, and that is even as you can see here, that's going to be 0.9963, let's say 635. So let's do this. 0.99635, using a lot size of 0.3. I'll be looking to for take profit 1 and 2 with this one. So let's just carry on. Yep, so we place the order there. So by the time the price gets here, hopefully the trade will be triggered, and I'll be looking to take it down. Now we have a distance, well, of about 55 pips or so to go. So my take profit one, or my initial take profit will be somewhere around here, and then somewhere around here I'll have a second take profit. Okay, having done that, how would I determine what my stop loss would be? There are a number of ways in which you could do that. I mean, this was the previous high, so I could place my stop here, say like 10 pips away from the top. So I could place my stop around here. But a better way to do that would be to use the ATR. Let's just do that. Okay, I mean ATR stands for average true range. You know, let's see what the value is. This is basically how I will use my ATR for placing stops. Now the ATR, the current ATR is about 11 pips or so. You know, so what I could do is to have 11 pips above the previous high. So whatever this figure is, I'll add 11 pips to it. But to be safer, what I'll do is I'll use times 2 ATR times 2. So that'll be 11 times 2, which is 22. So let's see what the figure is here. Let's say this is 22 pips. No, that's 16 pips. So let's move it up slightly. That's about 20 pips. Okay. So anyway, looking at this high, that's about 0.99706. So what I'll do is to modify the trade I'm currently in, I'll double click on that and set my stop loss at 0.99 plus 22. That'll be 85.5. So that will be the stop there, 0.99855. So if we modify that, we see that it sets the stop loss from here to there is that's about 15. Did I get my calculation wrong? Let's do that again. Oh, okay, I see what I did. I basically entered, so this is basically what we need to watch out for, such mistakes that we can make when, trading, when setting our stops and targets, as opposed to adding the 2 times ATR, to this point, the price level at this point, I added it to my entry. So that was wrong there. So let's do that again. Let's modify. So that would be 22 plus 0.99706. So that would be 926. There we go. So yep, that is more or less like it. So what we're basically going to be doing now is determining or using that as a stop loss. And how do I know where the take profit will be? Like I said a while ago, I'm looking for it to come all the way down, but I'll be having a take profit 1 here and a take profit 2 somewhere around there. So that is obviously what I'm going to be doing once the trade has been triggered, so that I could break up that lot size into 2, take profit 1 and take profit 2. Anyway, that is basically today's tutorial. If you are following my trade ideas, feel free to enter this trade. Today is the 27th of March 2019. And before you go, I would say to subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive subsequent videos of tutorials and trade ideas and so forth once I come out with them. So once you click on the subscribe button, make sure you also click on the notification bell next to it so that you can actually get notifications once a video is released. Feel free to share this video with those you believe would gain from this, and let's all smile all the way to the bank. Okay now. And by the way, check the comment section, check the comment section to see what other goodies I have for you there. Just in case, you are one who likes to trade hands-free, I do have an auto trader which I use very profitably, and you might want to try that out. Feel free to also join me on Telegram and possibly on WhatsApp, by the time, we develop a trading relationship. Okay now, God bless.